In this video, we're going to be talking about Harmony One. We're going to be analyzing the price of Harmony One to see what price is doing. Basically, giving a technical analysis as price is currently down 3.62%. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 600 subs. As well as that, before investing into Harmony One, please do your own research as I'm not a financial advisor. So looking on Harmony or looking on a CoinMarketCap, you can see Harmony One is bearish. On the daily, you can see here that price started off bearish, and then we did have the rally up towards the upside. We did have a break of structure essentially, and then what happened was, I feel like price must have tapped up into a liquidity area, which therefore drive the price back down, hopefully into this demand zone. But it looks like it's a very strong bearish momentum, so we could possibly be seeing a lower low essentially being made past 0.123. So it's not looking too good. But even on the weekly, you can see here that price has been very bearish. You can see that we did have the accumulation schematic play out, and then from this accumulation schematic we did tap up into this, pretty much mitigated one of the candles up on here, and then from then onwards price pretty much dropped again. But I feel like this is mainly due to the current market conditions of Bitcoin as well. As you know, the overall market is bearish right now. So yeah, if we go over to TradingView, you can see here that pretty much we were in a perfect little accumulation schematic being made. We had the retest, but price failed to respect. Price pretty much did not respect this demand zone at all. In my opinion, I feel like we could tap up into this is my last resort before we go for another lower low. So I feel like this is the last demand zone that will price tap into, and then you could possibly see that an accumulation schematic is slowly being made. You can see here that this is probably the selling climax, the secondary test, the second test in phase B, and then we could have a spring essentially. Tap up into this strong demand zone, and then from then onwards we could have another leg towards upside. But we're just gonna have to wait and see on how price plays out. Let me just quickly turn this into a schematic. So yeah, you can see here. We could see another accumulation schematic being made, but this time we tap up into this demand zone, and we just depends on the overall market. You know, on the weekly, on the daily, everything's looking bearish. If you go on the daily, you can see here it looks like we are making a little lower low. It's not looking too good, but this is like a very strong demand zone. Let's be real. It's been tapped in once, twice, and it looks like it's about to be tapped in 3 times. As well as that, you can see here that this was like a very strong demand zone, as it did break structure, and then we did tap up into, pretty much liquidated this. So yeah, this is a very strong demand zone, as previously what had occurred, we did have the huge rally towards upside. So this is a valid point of a demand zone. It just depends on how price is, because currently Bitcoin is very bearish. If you look here, you can see Bitcoin pretty much looking bearish on the daily, on the hourly. You can see here that pretty much we could possibly be seeing another accumulation schematic. It just depends on the overall market. You could call this the selling climax, the secondary test in phase B, and then we could wait for a liquidation, pretty much a liquidity inducement of the weak-handed buyers upon this one, and then from then onwards we should have another rally towards upside. But it just takes time. Not everything occurs over one night. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 600 subs.